done all of the pieces except the very last one for my body paragraph, and that is the T in ACIT, which means to either tie back or transition. So I'm going to show you an example of both. When you hear the words tie back, it really just means to kind of give a summary of what this paragraph you just wrote talked about. It's a way to tie your paragraph back to your assertion or your claim. So I'm going to say, overall, the power of the European diseases, because that is what this paragraph was talking about. That is my supporting detail 1. Significantly helped the Spanish conquer the complex empires of the Aztecs and Incas. So all I've done here is really restated my topic sentence, my assertion or my supporting detail 1 in a new way with a little more details that came from my evidence and my interpretation of this paragraph. Okay, so that's option 1, that's the tie back option. Here's another example of a transition. So I know that my next body paragraph is going to be about supporting detail 2, which if I look back to my planning sheet, my second supporting detail is the fact that the citizens there was not a lot of loyalty. It was very weak to the Aztec and Inca emperors. So I'm going to show you an example of how I would transition from diseases to that next supporting detail. So I could say something like this. I could say, even though these diseases had huge effects on the conquest of these empires, comma, this wasn't the only cause that helped the Spanish be successful. Okay, so I haven't told you the other cause I'm going to talk about, right? I'm kind of leaving that up to like a mystery, even though I've already mentioned it in my thesis. But this is a way that I'm kind of shifting the ideas from the diseases onto another thing or another cause that helped the Spanish conquer these 2 empires. So there you have it. There is 2 different examples of the tie back or transition. So the last part I need to do is just to go back and color code this for myself. So when you look at your finished body paragraph, it should be just as colorful as mine.